Have you ever sat in silence, worrying about your family, wondering if you're doing enough to keep them safe, happy, and connected? Maybe you've thought, I wish there was a simple way to bring peace, protection, and unity into our home. Well, today, we're going to do exactly that through prayer. Let me start by saying family is the heartbeat of our lives. Whether it's your parents, siblings, spouse, or children, our family holds the most precious place in our hearts. But let's be honest, sometimes family life isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are fights over dishes, missed calls, unanswered texts. And those why are you so difficult? Moments, it's messy, it's imperfect. And that's exactly why we need something greater than ourselves to hold it together. So here's the truth: the Bible isn't just a dusty old book on a shelf. It's full of powerful, life-changing promises. Promises that remind us God cares deeply about our families. Psalm 128:3 says, "Your wife will be like a fruitful vine within your house. Your children will be like olive shoots around your table." Beautiful, right? It's like God's giving us a blueprint for peace and abundance in family life. But here's the kicker: God doesn't just want us to read about His promises, He wants us to talk to Him. He wants us to pray. Let's be real for a second. Prayer isn't about perfect words or sounding religious. It's about pouring your heart out, just like you'd talk to a close friend. And today, I want to invite you into a simple yet powerful prayer for your family. God of love, I believe in your care for my family. I thank you for every single person in my home. I ask you to bless us, to protect us, and to fill our hearts with understanding and compassion. Help us to forgive when tensions rise and to cherish the small moments of joy that often go unnoticed. Let your peace guard our home, and your wisdom guide our decisions. Amen. Notice how it's not complicated. It's honest, and it's filled with trust that God is already at work. But maybe you're thinking, okay, that's nice, but how do I keep this going day after day? Here's what I do. I set aside just 5 minutes every morning. I don't check my phone, I don't read the news first. I simply thank God, pray for each family member by name, and ask for His guidance. It's changed everything. Suddenly, arguments feel less intense. Stress seems more manageable. And that feeling of hopelessness, it starts to melt away. What about you? Have you ever felt the weight of family struggles so heavy that you didn't know where to start? That's exactly when prayer becomes our lifeline. So here's my challenge for you today: don't wait for a crisis to pray. Start right now. Speak life into your family. Speak love. Speak unity. Speak protection. If you found this prayer helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of believers seeking peace and purpose in life. Amen.